What is ESLint?
ESLint is a popular tool for JavaScript developers. It automatically analyzes code to find mistakes, catch potential bugs, and enforce consistent style. By using ESLint, developers can maintain higher code quality and readability, making it easier to collaborate and avoid common coding problems.
Why use ESLint?
Consistent code is easier to read, debug, and maintain. ESLint helps teams follow the same coding rules and spot errors early in development. This reduces bugs, improves teamwork, and saves time spent on code reviews. Whether for solo or team projects, ESLint adds reliability and structure to your coding workflow.
Installing ESLint.
To install ESLint in your project, open a terminal and run npm install ESLint-save dev. This command adds ESLint as a development dependency. After installation, you're ready to set up a configuration. If you don't have Node.js or npm yet, install those first, since they are required for ESLint.
Configuring ESLint.
Set up ESLint by running npm exlint-init in your project folder. You'll answer a few questions about your coding style and environment. ESLint then creates a configuration file. You can customize rules in this file at any time, allowing you to match your team's or project's preferences.
Running ESLint.
To check your code, use npx ESLint dot in your project directory. ESLint will scan your files and report any issues according to your configuration. You can fix problems manually or use npx ESLint.fix to automatically correct many of them. This keeps your codebase clean with minimal effort.